Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, where creativity comes to you with monthly craft kits delivered to your door. This month we're making festive printed lino cut cards and gift tags. We're bringing a little festive magic to this month's craft kit. You'll create 5 lino cut printed greetings or Christmas cards and 5 lino cut printed gift tags to embellish and gift to your loved ones. Inside your kit you'll find your festive design template, 2 ink pads, your metallic marker pen, and this could be in gold or in silver, your lino tool handle and your lino tool blade, your lino block, 5 blank cards and envelopes, and 5 blank gift tags. You'll also find your step-by-step photo instructions and a little something for your pin board. Draw directly on top of the lines of the printed template sheet firmly with a pencil, making sure you've drawn on every part of the design. Place your lino block flat with the smooth, shiny surface facing up. Place your printed template sheet face down on top, making sure the design is all on the lino and not hanging over the edge of the block. Redraw over the lines from the back, they'll show as indents, pressing down firmly. Hold the template sheet with your other hand so it doesn't move. Remove the template sheet and your design will have transferred onto the lino. If any parts are missing or are too faint, you can draw over them with your pencil. Assemble your carving tool by partially unscrewing the silver part of the handle and carefully inserting the curved end of the carving tip into the hold in your handle. Twist the silver part of the handle to tighten and securely hold the tip in place. There's an empty space in one corner of your lino block which is for you to practice your carving in. Hold the lino block with your free hand and carve away from yourself, making sure your hand is not in the path of where you're cutting. Hold your tool like you would hold a pen. Keep the tip at a roughly 45-degree angle to the lino block and make a few test cuts. The harder you press, the deeper your cut will be. It's better to make multiple shallow cuts than one really deep cut, as your blade can get stuck. As you get to the end of a cut, scoop your lino tool upwards so you don't end up with a little strip of lino that is still partially attached to the block. If the lino is still attached, simply cut from the opposite direction with your tool to slice it off. When you're ready to start carving your stamps, begin by going around the outline of the design. Cut away from any corners out so you don't accidentally cut into the design. To cut carved areas like the crescent moon shape, cut it in sections. Cut about a quarter circle arc, then pause and turn the lino block, then cut another quarter circle. If the curved design looks blocky, make a few cuts on the angular edges to smooth the design. Now cut out the lines within your outline to give your piece detail. Some of these lines are quite small, so take your time. To cut the small circles for the door handles on the houses, push the tip of your tool into the middle of the circle, then slowly turn the lino in a full circle while keeping the tool pushed down. When you've finished, your lino block should look like this, with all the surrounding lino removed and just the designs remaining. Cut around each shape with a pair of sharp scissors, leaving a small border. Wash and dry your lino pieces to remove any pencil lines and oil from your hands. Test your printing on some scrap paper first. To print with your lino blocks, take your ink pad and dab over the surface of your block until it's evenly coated. Place the lino face down with the inked surface facing the paper. Apply pressure evenly on the back. Lift up the lino to reveal the printed design. If there are any areas where something other than your design has printed, you can carve these little bits off. Play with the positioning of your different lino pieces to create fun festive designs on your cards, tags, and even your envelopes. Try turning your cards so they are vertical instead of horizontal. Keep it simple with 1 or 2 printed elements. Or create a whole festive scene. You can layer the stamps on top of each other once they're dry. Use your metallic marker pen to print with. Rub it over the lino until there's a nice even layer and then print in the same way as before. Or you can use a marker to draw on elements or add accent details. And don't forget to stamp your gift tags too. Well done, your festive cards, envelopes and tags are ready to be sent. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit project next month.